So now we are ready to move on to putting our drawstring through our channel of our cute fleece drawstring bag. So you're going to take one of your grosgrain ribbon provided with your kit and lace it through the eye of the plastic needle and bring a couple of inches down. Not so long that it's going to double up, but 2 or 3 inches is fine. And I like to just smooth out the ribbon a little to keep it nice and tight in the eye. And what you're going to do, you should have already removed the tape from the edges, and you'll see a channel opening on the front and the back of the top parts of your bag. You're going to insert your plastic needle with your ribbon through that side channel opening. I'm going to start in the front side to me on the right and put my needle through and just slide it along that channel, going from my right to my left, and it will come out the left side of the front of the bag. And when you're pulling this, you want to keep your index finger and thumb on the tail end on the right so you feel how short your ribbon is getting as you're pulling from the left, so that you don't pull it all the way through. I would leave at least 5 or so inches on the right hand side tail. Then come back around the front to the back channel. Loop around, insert your needle and edge along your needle and ribbon through that back channel, going all the way around until you come out the back side, the back right side of your bag, and that should result in having 2 tails coming out the right front and right back of your bag. Now take your second grosgrain ribbon and lace it through the eye of your plastic needle, and this time we're going to start on the left hand side, opposite where our tails are coming out. So I'm going to start on my left side, going through the front channel again, and I'm going to lace it through, going all the way from my left to my right, edging that needle and the ribbon through, being careful not to lose my ribbon, coming out through the right side, and I'm feeling the ribbon with my left hand so it doesn't come all the way through, looping back through the back channel, the right side now, and going right to left, edging that needle along, right to left through that back channel until I come all the way back out the left side, and now I have 2 tails on my left side. So I have 2 tails on the left and 2 tails on the right when I'm done. My next step is to insert these 2 tails. So I'm going to start with my left hand side. You can do it on the left or right, but even up your 2 tails and put them through the eye of your plastic needle, and then lace it through one of those small beads that we provided. Pull that ribbon through. And I should have said, you definitely want to even out your tails. If your tails are longer on the right or left, make sure to even them out. And so I've put my ribbon through the little bead, and I'm going to pull those tails up over the top of the bead and tie a knot with the ribbon that's above it, so that that knot is encircling the top of the bead. And then I'm going to double knot it, make sure it stays nice and tight. There's a bird out here that's really singing loud today. All right, and I'm going to tighten that right up so it doesn't come loose. And then after, we can cut off these tails. So you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Put your 2 tails together, put them through the eye of your plastic needle and through your little bead. Take the tails, wrap them around the top of the bead, and tie a knot with the ribbon above it. Make make that a nice tight double knot. We're almost done. There. Now we're just going to trim off the tails of that ribbon to make it look nice and neat. And you've completed your drawstring bag. To close the bag, you simply pull on both of the drawstrings away from each other, and it cinches the bag closed. And you can carry a lot of nice things in this bag. And then you can put your fingers inside the bag and just pull it open to open. I hope you've enjoyed this craft. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call at 978-419-1824. And check out our other crafts on www.mitsykit.org.